This is probably 1919. This first page, based on their uniforms and the medals they have on.
That's what I was guessing.
Yeah, 1919. 1919 pre-pandemic, because no one's wearing a mask in it.
I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Oddly funny. So this will have 48 because it was 48 stars from 12 to 59. Okay, we're back in World War One, back here. Let's see. He's infantry because the light blue translates into white in old emulsions. So he's infantry. There's a rare. That's a Marine. That's pretty rare.
The uniform, you mean, is rare?
Yeah. Well, it's the fact that he's a Marine. There weren't a lot of Marines.
I see. Interesting.
I think this whole book represents about a year.
How many?
About a year.
Oh, really?
Starts out with uniforms and ends with the same uniforms.